Good morning, students. Today we will start our third chapter of civics, how the state government works. As you know, in sixth class we read all about the local government, and now here we are discussing the state government work. So means we people are living in Uttarakhand. So every government, like we have 29 states, and in 29 states, now we have 28 states because Jammu and Kashmir has been declared the union territory. So in those states, particularly, different governments are there, and they have their own jurisdiction and they work accordingly. So by the chapter, we will try to understand the machinery and the you can say how they work. So let's begin and see in the chapter with the help of comic picture, and whatever the term will come, we will try to understand them. So let's begin with the introduction so that we can understand little bit, because if I remember last year in the class I told about some of the thing regarding the whole structure of the democratic government. So let's take a look. The last year we discussed the fact government works at the three levels, means local level, state level, and national level. This is to be called federal structure. When government is divided into organ and level. So last year I told about the organ. Organs means like this is like horizontal, and it divided into three category. First is legislative, second is executive, third is judiciary, and after that it's you can say vertical. Vertical means central, then state, then local. So this was the federal structure. So, government in some detail. In this chapter, we examine the work of the government at the state level. How does this take place in democracy? What is the role of the member of the Legislative Assembly? Legislative Assembly, the MLAs, and the ministers, and how the people express their views and demand action from the government. And we look in these questions through the example of health. So let's begin with that comic picture, with that stories. Like there are the two girls and they're reading the newspaper, so they're conversing each other. Hey, look at this. It says that there is a water shortage in our state and people are falling sick. Then another is discussing, in my villages, people were found to be drinking unclean water. Streams have been dry up, and so have tanks. And in the worst affected areas, villagers have been carrying water across the great distance. Means water problem they are discussing here through the newspaper. Different clippings they are discussing, and they are telling about whether in the cities or in the village this kind of problem is happening during the summertime. So, people at the district headquarters, that is Patalpuram, received water supply once in a 3 days. Means हालत यहाँ तक है कि 3 3 दिन बाद पानी आता है. And the district hospital here is overflowing with patients. A large number of whom are children and acute diarrhea. Means water problem है, then unclean water है, impure water है. Because of that, what is happening? Diseases are spreading. Communicable diseases, water borne diseases means are spreading in the area, and जिसमें कि डायरिया एक मेन प्रॉब्लम है जो कि बच्चों को जल्दी से हो जाती है. और ऐसे में क्या है, हॉस्पिटल्स आर पैक्ड विद द पेशेंट्स. Now, on the TV news, they said 10 people have died from diarrhea. Is that possible? Can one really die from it? मतलब जो इंफॉर्मेशन आ रही है बीमारी की, ऐसा ऐसा हुआ है, क्या ऐसा होता है? डायरिया जैसी हल्की सी बीमारी से भी इतने लोग मरते हैं. Who knows? Just hope I don't get it. ऐसा है कि भगवान हमें तो कभी ना हो, हमें ऐसा कभी ना सुनने को मिले. So she is saying, My mother said not to have any iced drink from the market. तो वो अपने आप को बता रही, now they are cycling, और she is saying कि मेरी मम्मा ने तो ये कहा है कि बाहर का कुछ भी नहीं खाना है ठंडा, और जो कि आइस चीज, क्योंकि आइस कैसे बनती है, यू आर नॉट डेफिनेट अबाउट कि वो पानी कितना प्योर होगा जिससे आइस बनी होगी, और ऐसी चीजें क्या करती हैं, बीमार करती हैं. सो यू हैव टू बी रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर योर हेल्थ शिरिन. तो उन्होंने समझा के भेजा है कि अपनी हेल्थ का ध्यान हमें खुद ही रखना है. नाउ हा 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 मीन्स दे आर enjoying, they are going. And now when they are proceeding on the way, so policemen, police women, whatever she is, she, I think she is police women, so she is stopping them. And this road is blocked due to the rally, and uh, they have guarded the MLAs and residents. मतलब यहाँ से रास्ता बंद है क्योंकि MLAs जो है वो उनकी रैली निकल रही है, वो लोग इधर से आने वाले. Really? Why has done something? Why means why has he done something? क्या उसने ऐसा कुछ किया है? हाहा, they seems more angry about what has done. तो जो उन्होंने किया है उससे भी वो ज्यादा गुस्साए में दिखाई दे रहे हैं. So, and we demand that authorities take immediate action to bring the public health situation under control. Our MLA must take the responsibility for this. Means they have hope कि whatever is happening means the diseases are spreading, तो rally is coming out, people are angry, they wanted to put their demand forward कि do something for the health purpose for the people. So what a loud voice he has. He must be the leader of or something. इतना तेज चिल्लाकर जो बोल रहा है, इतनी श्रिल जो वॉइस है, तो लगता है कहीं का लीडर है. तो she is making her quiet. I saw him on TV too, and he is member of opposition. So another, she is having an idea about, because she regularly watching the news and she is saying that नहीं नहीं मुझे पता है ये अपोजिशन का मेंबर है. अपोजिशन, अब यहाँ पर एक वर्ड आता है जब हम पॉलिटिक्स डिस्कस करते हैं, तो जो रूलिंग पार्टी होती है उसके अगेंस्ट में जो पार्टी होती है, व्हेन द पार्टी चेक द वर्क ऑफ द रूलिंग गवर्नमेंट, उस पार्टी को हम क्या बोलते हैं, अपोजिशन. मतलब अपोज में है. तो अपोजिशन का मतलब एक डेमोक्रेसी में बहुत हेल्दी वर्ड है कि वो जो गलत पॉलिसीज हैं उनको चेक करे रूलिंग गवर्नमेंट को, और उनके लिए उसको अवेयर कराए कि मीन्स द गवर्नमेंट इज नॉट डूइंग गुड. लेकिन कई बार हमारी जो पॉलिटिक्स है, यू सी ऑन टेलीविजन कि अपोजिशन को एक अच्छा खासा क्रेडिट मिल जाता है, रोल मिल जाता है, वेदर गवर्नमेंट इज डूइंग गुड और नॉट, उनको अपोज करना ही करना है. तो ऐसे वाला अपोजिशन नहीं है यहाँ पर. अपोजिशन का मतलब जो हम लोग गलत निकालते हैं वो अपोजिशन नहीं है. अपोजिशन का मतलब होता है a particular party who is not ruling will check the action of the government, or the, you can say, working style of the government if government is not doing good. So this was the comic picture. Until here we'll discuss. Now in the next segment we'll discuss who is MLA. Okay.